pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want, then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
Hey everybody, it's Karen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi. I'm really glad you clicked on this video. And if you're returning, thank you so much, my gems. And for those of you that are new to my channel, hi. Let me get to know you. I want to get to know you. Put your favorite color down in the comments below. Say hello to me if you're one that likes to comment. If you're not, I completely understand. I watch a lot of videos and forget to comment a lot of the time. But today we are doing a review of the Too Faced Teddy Bear palette. Are you excited? I'm excited. This is the look that I come up with, and guys, I'm actually impressed with the Too Faced palette. So let's get right into this video. Alright, so let's pull open this palette and see what we got. I'm kind of excited. Should I have high hopes for it? You guys know that doesn't always work out for me. It definitely doesn't. Okay, come out of the package. This was a $45 palette. I got it at Ulta. Oh my goodness, are you kidding right now? I really should open these before I turn on the camera. Okay, here it is. It's super cute. I like it. It's neat little teddy bear. It's small though. Oh wow. Look how many these eyeshadows look. It did not look like that on the picture. Holy crap. Okay, you see that? They're little. But some of these colors in here remind me of the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette, I think it was called. So, okay, should we do swatches first? Let me see. The color names are definitely on the back. Wow, okay. There's what, 14? Okay, there's 14 shades in here. I guess we will go ahead and do some swatches. Ooh. Alright, they feel creamy. Ooh, that one doesn't. Okay, let's do this. So far, so good. Finish up that first row here. There we are with the first row. Okay, let's go in with the next one. I can barely get my finger, well, I can get my fingers in here, but these are just like small little tiny pans. Okay, ready? They look similar. Okay. We've got a few shades left. 2 to be exact. The one that has a cute little teddy bear in it. Alright guys, what do you think? We definitely need to know how they blend. That's the question. Can they perform well? Alright, so we've seen the swatches, the colors are definitely pretty. Now, what can we do with this palette, right? You guys ever do your makeup and then you're like, wow, what a difference. I do. That's me, for sure. Alright, what color are we going to start off with? That is the question. I don't know. Okay, let's go in with Jaclyn Hill Morphe brush. Yes. And let's try out this first color over here. There's some kick up. I have MAC paint pot on my eyes, so you guys know. And we're just going to put this color in the crease and right where the brow bone, a little bit below it. Okay, so far so good. There's not many Too Faced palettes that I've liked. So I was kind of like, With this one, I mean, it's super cute. Does it smell? You know how you usually get that overwhelming smell of like chocolate or something when you open Too Faced palettes? This doesn't have it. There's like a tiny bit of a scent. But that's it. I'm kind of shocked. Usually their palettes smell like cocoa. Okay. All the kids are home, spring break, yay! Alright, so I've got that color in there. I'm going to, I think I'll go all the way down the end and go in with this color here. It's like a dark plum. I'm going to put it in the same spot here. Let's see, we're blending okay, which is good. So who's been thinking about getting this palette? That's what I want to know. This is cute. Okay. Not bad. Alright. So far so good. Yay! Do you guys get excited when a palette performs well? I do. For sure. My Kayla's in the background. I've got a few unboxings and a few other palettes. Is there another palette out there that you guys want me to review? Let me know. I've been reading everyone's messages. Oh, and thank you guys so much for voting for me for the Sephora squad. I did make the final round. So, I'm excited. Thank you. Oh, I can't wait for that. I will be doing a big giveaway if I win. That'd be awesome. Either way, though, I'm just happy that it's going well, you know? To be a part of something. They have the contest where you become a part of the Sephora squad, and the winner gets like 10 grand and a photo shoot for, what is it? Life and Style magazine. Alright, so this is a pretty color. A thinner brush, like a more pencil brush, and we're just going to dip that back into that color here and kind of just put it in the corner and make it to where the crease is nice and dark because it's going to make my eye look bigger. And make sure there's no separation in pigment. You guys know how that works, right? You want it to blend seamlessly. So these pencil brushes are excellent for that and for the under eye. Okay, so far, so good. Alright, so let's go in with, I'm not sure. Should we do like a cut crease? Should we? I'm constantly blending. It's like my thing. I got that song stuck in my head. Elvis Presley. Teddy bear. Alright. Let's, should we do a cut crease, guys? I don't know. Let's do this. There's a couple colors we could use. Ooh. Let me grab a flat brush. We'll go in with the Luxie brush, and we'll put a little bit of setting spray on it. And we're going to go in with this gold color. Oh my goodness. This looks gorgeous. Let's see. It's definitely crumbling in the pan here, which just means I might have more fallout than I want. Oh wow, look at that. And sometimes the color bunches up, so you just have to really blend it out good. grab a blending brush and go over this. Okay, now what we're going to do is go into this other marbly kind of looking color down at the end and put that right here. Wow, that's gorgeous. Oh yeah. It is just like the Urban Decay Stone vibes. That's what it reminds me of. Well, these two shades do. Okay, let's blend. Ooh. Guys, I might actually like a Too Faced palette. We don't always get along. Okay, let me take some of these browns. We haven't tried the browns yet. Go in and put some of it right here. This is like a different type of brown. Ooh, I like it. Wow. I'm pretty impressed right now. Gosh, I'm so glad because I hate wasting money on palettes. I'm like, damn it, this one didn't work. Holy crap. The pigment is there. I'm like, oh, yes, thank you. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo-hoo. We need to get some eyeliner on. Karen's in awe. Wow, I like it. Okay, pencil brush. Remember I told you? Pencil brush for underneath? Yeah, pencil brush. Okay. Whew. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh my goodness. Karen is happy. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. But I am like really, really happy. I'm going to take this other shimmer down here and put my finger in it and just kind of put that right here in the middle to give it some extra oomph. Look at that. Oh. Wow. So I've used multiple colors now. And they're all performing super well. That is a very good thing. Whew. I'm yay! Okay. Let me get some black liner on. Okay guys, so I put on lashes, liner, lipstick, and now we're going to do the finishing touches. Do you know what we have left? Okay. So here's our palette. I want to see if I can grab the Jaclyn Hill Inner Corner Highlight Brush, and what we're going to do is we are going to put it into this color right here and see if we can get that for our inner corner highlight. There we go. Yes, that works. All right, so what do I want to do for the brow bone? I think I want to go in with this one right here. This is neat. I actually used the palette for everything on my eyes. That doesn't always happen. I wind up putting highlighter or something else up here. But I'm liking this palette. Guys, I like a Too Faced palette. That's crazy. Oh my goodness. So this was a $45 palette. And I actually took the KKW one back. KKW Beauty. And I bought this. And I thought, please let me like it. And I do. Alright, so 45 bucks, 14 colors. They are very small and tiny, but I used a lot of them, and I really do like this palette. I am just loving the mauves, the berries, and everything this season. I just think they look gorgeous. So would I recommend this? Yes, I totally would. If you've had your eye on it and these are your colors, girl, go for it. Definitely. I'm enjoying it. I think it's a great palette. I'm actually excited, and I'm wondering, because there's not a heavy cocoa scent in here, the formula is different. So when I had gotten the Too Faced, I think, what was it, spice something for Halloween, pumpkin spice, that palette I did 2 reviews on, and it wasn't wonderful. It wasn't great. This is great. So there's the difference there. Thank you so very much for joining me for this video. I want your thoughts down in the comments below. Thank you so much. I really appreciate every comment, every like. It does help me out. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for those of you that have voted for me, thank you so very much. I will put the link to the Sephora Squad voting down below, and if you guys could continue to vote for me, that would be awesome. Voting will close on April 15th, and I'm just really excited. Thank you so very much. I'll see you guys real soon in another video.